This episode is sponsored by Honeybadger. In addition to Honeybadger's great error monitoring service, they also have an uptime monitoring for web developers. And Honeybadger has recently shipped an update that allows for public status pages that can help communicate outages to your customers. In addition to your uptime monitoring, Honeybadger now monitors your SSL certificates. And Honeybadger now has actions which will allow you to do bulk updates to all your errors, or you can set defaults for incoming errors. In the last episode, we created a dashboard where we were able to click and drag different widgets on the dashboard and add them in and remove them as needed. And in this episode, we're going to continue on with that with actually displaying the dashboard. So all of the different widgets that we had configured will then display on our dashboard at the same time. And we're also going to look at some performance optimizations, where if I refresh the page, you'll see that we only made 3 requests for the top 3 widgets. But as we scroll down and the others come into view, additional requests will be made to our application to load those in.